Hello everyone, it's Marcy and welcome to day 5 of 5 Days of Christmas 2021, the collaboration between Cara Brandon Creations and Dearjuliejulie. So today for day 5, we have this digital sheet from Dearjuliejulie, on which we have several ephemera pieces. And for Cara Brandon, we have this page with the tags, pocket, cards, ephemera pieces. So, this is going to be a really quick video because I kind of got stuck. I had an idea for what I wanted to do with some of the pieces, and I wasn't actually able to get past it until I got it done. So I'm going to start with Cara's pocket. You can see I've already cut around it and inked around the edges. So I'm going to fold this up and glue down the little tab pieces. So what's going to happen, not just with this day, but especially with this day, is what I'm making is not difficult by any stretch of the imagination, but you'll have to wait till the flip through, which hopefully will be 1 week from today, to see what else I do. Okay, now I've got the pocket, so I took this card from Cara's kit, and I fussy cut around Santa and his sleigh, and I embossed it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue the sides and the bottom and put it right here on the corner and make that just a teeny tiny little tuck spot. I don't know why, but I absolutely loved this card with the distressed old Christmas Eve and the distressed poinsettias behind it. So I didn't want to cover all that up, and then what I can do is I can take one of Dearjuliejulie's calling cards from her kit and just tuck that right into that little tuck spot. I'm going to let that dry for a minute first so the card doesn't get stuck. Then I absolutely fell in love with Cara's 2 tags. And I thought about doing a layered tag and just putting this one right on top of this one and sewing around it, but I don't want to do that because I love the underneath tag as well. And I want it to be able to be seen. So what I've decided, again, to try is I'm going to line them up and I am going to try to get as close to center as I can and punch a hole. It's kind of off center, but that's okay. Then I've got this pretty little brad that can go right in there. But before actually, I'm going to have to stick the legs out a little bit so it doesn't keep coming out. And I want to take some string. I hope this works. I haven't tried it. And I'm going to wrap my string around the brad. Try to get that underneath. Open those legs up a little bit to let allow that brad to lift up just a little bit. And then I want to see if I can tie a little bow in it. Now I'm just pulling my bow back some because that one ear was a lot longer than the other. Okay. And using my crinkly thread, or my crinkly binding, probably was not the best thing to use, but now, what am I going to put on the back to cover that brad? Well, I've got this Tim Holtz washi, and the color would be fine, but it's cigars, which I'm not wild about, but I think for right now, just to get something down there to keep the brad from getting caught on stuff, I'll put that down. Because the colors are right. It's just the topic is not right. Okay, so there I have my cards just bradded. So now you can just flip, or my tags, so now you can just twirl them to see what's underneath. And you still have some writing space on the back of your tag. Okay, so that was kind of a mess, but that is day 5. Let's see, so we've got this one that should be dry now. And these tags that they're very simple, but I just think they're so beautiful. I didn't want to cover them up. So there you go. There is day 5 of 5 Days of Christmas 2021. Be sure to check out the other makers using hashtag 5daysxmas 2021. And until next time, I wish you all a wonderfully happy, crafty day, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.